Fine, this is 15th problem. Let us solve here. Right here, how many thousands make a million? Right, in the previous case, in the previous video, I divided it. Otherwise, you can use a place value table. Let us draw a place value table. This way also you can do. Right, I'll go with this. This is going to be million. Right, this is going to be thousand. Right, and this is going to be ones. Right, so here what happens, let us check out here. This is ones, right, then tens, then this is going to be 100, right, then 1000, so 10,000, right, 100,000, then 1 million, right, 10 million, then 100 million. Right, let us check out here. 1 million. See, million means, right, 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. Right, so how many thousands? Right, let us check out here. This is going to be 1 2 3 4. This is 1000. Either you can divide, or otherwise what you can do, you just cancel it here. So these three zeros will be cancelled. That is going to be 1000. Right, 1000 makes a million. Right, so you can cancel it. 3 zeros and 3 zeros will be cancelled. The remaining will be 1000. So 1000 into 1000 you will get million. Right, that's what 1000. Option C is the right one.